guys, it's Darkfire here, and we've got another hamster video. Well,
it's the same hamster from the other video, and the boss hamster. Alec has another hamster that is his little brother,
hamster
and it
time,
sucks.
Peanut butter hamster time. Way yo, what day you go?
Hey, whoa! This is my show here. You wanna go? You wanna go? Yeah, that's what I thought.
I beat you by cleaning.
He just sucked on my teabag.
Epic hamster teabag. Hamster teabag.
Oh my god.
And the hamster just got stuck in there. He's pretty stupid.
Let's give him some marijuana.
Yeah.
Here. Okay, let's do Ninja Hamster. Doo-doo. 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 Doo-doo.
And the hamster just fell off.
Do that again.
Epic fail.
Doo-doo.
The hamster can't stay there. He's gonna keep
Get over
falling.
here.
Grab him. Say goodbye, hamster.
Hey guys, this is my show. Nope. Oh yeah, wait. This is my show. You hear me? Hear me? Hey, wait, where is he? Ooh. Let's do that again.
Well, goodbye.
Let's do that one more time.
Okay.
Do-do-do-do.
Then goodbye.
Ugh.
Goodbye.